Dav?
Hi guys, what are you doing?
So where are we, Dav? And what are we up to today? So the lake's 4 miles long. We've got the kayaks out. We've loaned one, so David's in that. Everybody's been saying, spin round, Dav, so we can see you. So everybody's saying we haven't had videos for ages, have they?
No.
What's the reason?
Very busy in work. Just fishing in the moment, fishing season's back in actually. So just camera man.
I know this is not our normal videos, but everybody seems to be getting the boats out lately, don't they?
Yeah.
So we thought we'd follow suit. So here we are on the lovely Bala Lake, 4 miles long. I can't remember how deep it was. It's home to a prehistoric fish that doesn't exist anywhere in the world. So there's a big race on today. The back of us, you can see there's a lot of action going on. I think it's a triathlon today, so we've been asked twice if we're the safety team, and we Dav. So Dav's first time on a kayak canoe. I've got a sit on top here, planning on getting another one. But yeah, we'll take you on our adventure today. We'll try and get a video out to you all as well.
Yeah, Tom, we'll do a bit more talking when we get to the bank.
Yeah, we're going to park up, grab some lunch, get something to eat.
Right then, we just pulled over. I'm glad to get 2 minutes because if anybody is thinking about getting one, this is my first ever experience, like I said. You got big feet, don't get one of these. Because you got to have your feet like fucking, like that, inside the boat. So, oh, fucking.
Alright everyone, me and Davin haven't fallen out of love.
No, we haven't fallen out of love.
No, we're not, we haven't broken up or anything. It's just that he's been working dead hard and I've been busy as well, so
Yeah, so
we haven't had the time lately. It's mad, isn't it, because we end up doing all our videos in the winter.
yeah, it does, yeah.
Saying, oh, I can't wait for summer. Summer is too bloody busy, isn't it?
Thing is, like I said, I've taken up fishing now. Well, I've always done fishing, but I've stopped my carp fishing. I've gone into match fishing. I started taking a few videos of that because a few people like them. Like I said, that's all I've been doing for the last couple of weeks and working. And there we are today.
So
you can see a couple more people. Zoom in.
I picked up my kayak for 150 quid. It's a Galaxy sit on top fishing kayak.
You got wheels of that, haven't you?
I got the wheels with it, I got everything that you need for it, I got with it. You even give me a fishing rod when I got it. That one there is borrowed, but I've got a chance to get another one. I think David's going to feel a little bit better on a sit on top one.
Yeah, definitely.
He's a big old chap like me. So I've got a chance of another one. Get 2 of them on top of the Peugeot, won't we?
Yeah, really, yeah.
Yeah, for 150 quid. I've seen a couple of lads on their channels and they've got the same type of kayak. I think they're a little bit safer for the average person.
Yeah, well, you're not an expert on them, are you? So it's be better.
No, at least when you're in that, you fall off and not.
So we just come from the bay down there where everybody gets in, where they're starting swimming today. I don't know if I can show you too much. We'll go in the water.
See, we've already done a big trek.
Yeah, we've come from the far bank all the way down there. Just come here, gonna have a quick drink, quick chocolate. Just give my feet a little rest because I think I might need a few rests on today. Wayne just had a massive poo in the water. You can see all that green slime there. Aye, apart from that, I said I was gonna get something to eat. Quick chocolate, me and a drink, and back out at it. Yeah. Right then, getting ready to pack up, take back out again. We're gonna carry on going this way, down there, somewhere down there. And eventually we're going to cross over, come the other side, back up, and then before we finish today, we're going to go for a little swim. Yeah, that's us, isn't it? Right, we'll probably see a few more clips in the water once we get to a nice safe area.
Bobbing along on the bottom of the deep blue sea. You having fun, Dav? Getting the hang of it now, aren't you, mate?
Yeah, I got rid of the first beginning nerves a bit.
Yeah. You'll be going in a minute. So, we've only done about a mile. This is our view. Beautiful. Sun's starting to peel through the clouds now. I think we're going to have a good day. Make sure my phone goes in the zip seal bag. Yeah, you can't tell it, but it's starting to warm up.
Right, look at this spot then. Anybody think that's perfect for a wild camp? I do. Just pulled up there now. Focus. Yeah, like I said, pulled up there now. We come. Don't even think you can see the end of it now. Rocks are a bit slippy here. I don't even think you can see it all the way down there. I'm going to go all the way down there. A few more people on the island by there, but we pulled to a nice spot. All the algae on these rocks here. Yeah, nice spot. There's some nice bonus sleds I just found on the floor as well.
Hooks and everything here, isn't it?
Yeah, I just found a hook with a lot of braid on it. Also, we said some big pike in here, didn't you? Yeah, some huge pike in here. So there's a lot of fishing going on, which we'll probably be doing. Aye, perfect spot. Want to go munch? We found a nice, what do you call it?
Over there,
A water.
natural spring.
Natural spring coming into it.
Take you and show you in a minute.
Probably got my Sawyer mini filter, so that'd be perfect for that. So I'm just going to chill now, have something to eat. I'll bring you back and I'll show you a bit more around everything. Alright, nice bit of a munch gone. Only a couple of chocolates and a couple of packs of crisps. Just looking for free fishing gear. Yeah, beautiful now, the sun's coming out. I can't wait to go for a swim, to be honest. That's what I'm looking forward to. We're gonna go down here now. I like to stick to the edge, so we'll go around that island and then it loops back round. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Neck's on fire, but I got sun cream on, so yeah, we'll pack this phone that away now. And then we're going to hit the road, or the water.
Or the water, one of the two.
Yeah, one of them. Find one of them first, won't we?
Alright.
Right, that was the biggest challenge of the day, so I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I'll try and zoom in for you. Well, we've just literally crossed the lake on an angle, so it's made it twice as long. Okay. Can you see that far? Where's my fat fingers? See that stretch there? We just paddle from there. Okay, and past that buoy up there and to here. Thing is, when you're going straight across them, they just trying to power over there. So you got to cut on an angle across them. Aye. How was your experience on that one?
Yeah, I need 5 minutes after that. That was a good struggle, that. I know it doesn't seem like it now, but when you're out in the middle there, you're like white horses, isn't you?
Yeah.
Proper pounding you. Yeah, we made it. I think the wind's going to be against us travelling back up the lake now. We'll just take our time though, won't we?
Yeah. So we'll have 5 minutes now, a quick drink in a minute.
Still yet to see the sun burn through these clouds.
No. It's shocked.
Still warm enough though.
Back's on fire.
So what do you reckon the whole kayaking experience so far then, Dav?
It's good, good. I think I'd be more comfortable in yours.
Yeah.
Just for the fact of the bent feet.
Yeah.
I feel quite safe in that now. I don't know why, I do feel really safe in
Getting
it.
used to it now.
Yeah, it's just the bent feet, they do hurt. Yeah. You can only paddle for so long, you need to get out and have a quick stretch. But I think anything from like size 8 and that, you think you're fine. Or if you've got flexible
A little
feet.
bit small then.
Yeah.
Have I forgot my carrier bag?
Yeah.
Right then.
Drifting away though.
So we're just cruising in the middle of Bala Lake. And it's starting to warm up now. We've been pissing about for about 2 hours, I think, haven't we? I was taking his ass off, I think he's getting serious. Oh, there's a train coming. I'll hurry up, Dav. Hold the boat. You got the boat? So there's the little steam train that comes across. Follows the lake from the village there. We're quite lucky to see that as well. We see if we can get him to give us a beep. Give it a wave, Dad. I don't think the driver can see us out here. Oh, David is getting fucking warm out here now. Excuse my French.
Where the fuck's the boy gone?
The boy? Boy? Behind us. We're clearly travelling the wrong way. Look at them spectacular views from the heart of Wales. Right.
It's gone warm now though, isn't it?
It has gone warm. You can feel it burning on my arms now. I'm going to put my phone away before I drop it. David is growing a pair of balls. It's actually settled in quite well now. Dude, look at the speed. You getting on, old lad? You're a lot more comfortable in that now, aren't you? He is just pulling up. So, what do you think?
Warm.
We'll be doing a lot more of this, I think, don't we?
Oh yeah.
Just zoom out.
Fucking shit's gone warm now.
How do I spin the camera around, Dav?
Is it one in touchscreen? Right. Come out the water now. Obviously, as you can tell, we're in a car. Yeah, when we pulled out, we sat on the side for a bit. There's plenty of like a. What was it? Juniors.
Triathlon.
The juniors triathlon was on. We sat there with plenty of people there, like busy today. And then strapping these onto the car.
So yeah, a good kick-off adventure, wasn't it, mate?
Coming through the village now.
45-minute drive home, so it's not too far.
No, it's not too far to look coming for us, but I said it's a huge, huge lake, isn't it? Great day, look, great day. Really enjoyed it. Enjoyed it?
Yeah, I've had a fantastic day. To be fair, it's good to be back out here.
Yeah.
Try and squash something like this in such busy lives.
So yeah, to start the summer videos now. I know we haven't been on much, but it's busy, you know.
Drop a comment, see what you want us to do.
Yeah.
Like I say, we'll get some more videos on it, hopefully. It's to your liking. Because I know there's a few people, I mean, you could give a shout out, but there's quite a few people that are asking for videos as well, so big shout out to the wanderers. Keep on wandering. Wes, Daz D, anybody else there?
Oh, is that really slow to be
There's tons of people.
Oh, fucking hell.
You haven't opened your package, have you?
No.
So that's what we're going to have to do in a minute.
I'll make it into another video, won't it? Right, that's next week's video now, I think.
So just tell them what you forgot to do now.
Right, if you, any of you on Facebook, go on the Great Outdoors TV page. There's Joss, he runs it, and everybody's doing like a, I can't even think what they call it again now, I've lost the name for it. Everybody spent £10 on something Bushcrafty Award Company, and put all your names in a hat, and I've sent my present off, you want to call it, off to somebody else, and I've had my present, yeah, I'm waffling out there, so I'll get that, I'll come around to it, I'll get another video done. But like I said, a great day today, we'll stop waffling. Hope you enjoyed this video. There's going to be plenty more like this because we really enjoyed it.